Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to explain the Model Context Protocol or MCP in the simplest way possible using this diagram. So by the end of this video, you'll clearly understand how an AI model can talk to real world tools like email, GitHub files and many more using MCP as a bridge. So let's get started. Everything starts with the user. You type a message or give a voice command that request codes directly to an AI model, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or any LLM. You send a message like, "Can you add a meeting to my calendar?" The AI model understands your request, but it cannot directly access your tools. That's where MCP comes in. MCP works as a bridge between the AI model and the external systems. Here's the flow. The AI model sends a request or an action to a MCP. MCP receives it. After processing, MCP sends the response back to the AI. So MCP is not the AI, it's the middle layer that enables the AI to talk to apps. Now, MCP connects to multiple tools in the real world. Look at the bottom of the diagram. These are examples: email, calendar, GitHub, files, and database. Here's how the flow works. AI model sends the action to the MCP. MCP decides which tool to use. MCP executes the request or fetches data. MCP sends the result back to the AI model. The AI finally responds to the user. Let's say you type, "Create a new issue on GitHub with the title Bug in Login Page." So the flow will be user, AI model. AI model understands the intent. It sends the request to the MCP. MCP connects to the GitHub. It creates the issue, sends back success info. AI replies, "Issue created." You can use similar examples for email. Send an email to my team, calendar, schedule call at 5 p.m. Database, fetch customer records. MCP gives AI superpowers in the real world. Here's why it's powerful. AI doesn't need direct access to your apps. MCP handles the permissions and connections. It keeps everything modular. You can add or remove tools easily. One AI model, unlimited integrations. So to summarize this diagram, the user gives a request, the AI model understands it, MCP acts as a bridge, MCP connects to the real world tools, the result comes back to the AI and then to the user. That's MCP, one bridge, unlimited possibilities. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.